Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. One down, four up. I'm out shopping for motorcycles. The used ones I found on Craigslist so far did not follow through, so I'll come over here to the Performance Cycle Center, check out what they got here for new. I wonder if I can put my stickers up here. Check out these Kawasaki's. Let's go inside and see what's inside. Street Triple Triumph 675. Look at this color here, man. That looks sweet.
8,300 for sale.
8,300?
884.
That was just new.
There you go. I like this one. Triumph Mono Shop. And that exhaust though, man. Let's say it would scrape. Or sale. That's not my style, though, Bonneville. Here with my family. Checking out the different bikes. This one looks cool.
No, you can't find them. We don't have any stuff. Just the new stuff. This one's so quick because it's cheaper than new. Anyway, pop on in here. I got a cool showroom and I need to fly. Cross that over and customer. Pop on in here and say hi. Thanks, buddy. Bye-bye.
Tiger. Looks like a BMW a little bit, but Triumph. There's a KTM right over there I like. 6400. Yeah, but I don't like that. This I like right here. This is 1050 Sprint Triumph. I don't like bikes with bags on them.
Any questions, guys? You doing okay?
Yeah, just look around right now.
All right, no problem. A lot of nice toys to look at.
Yeah. I like that KTM down there. Too cool. That right there is sweet. This Ninja 636. 9 grand. This one is 5,499.
Yeah. This is only 4,900.
I'm really liking this KTM right here. Can't touch the ground on the dual sport. That's that model, and then it's in the Street Fighter model here. Street Fighter model is cheaper.
You're Austrian.
Austrian. Oh, that's what they were talking about the other day.
Here's some Triumphs Cafe Racers. How much? 10,000. This one right here is cool, the black one.
You gonna fill it out for him? Okay.
So I'm looking at this one now. It's a special edition 2013. It's got 31 miles on it. 51-year-old lady came in and bought it, and she only put 31 miles on it, brought it back in, traded it in on for a quad. So I don't know, I might get this one, don't know yet. Gonna go look around some more, but the guy's gonna work on it for me, finances. Maybe I just come and pay it off, I don't know, I haven't decided yet. But they definitely gonna have to raise it because he's got it on the lowest setting. So this is the time spent at the Kawasaki KTM dealer. We're gonna go get something to eat, and thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, don't cost nothing, it's free. Like always, I'm gone.